Okay, 2021, a year in perspective. Let me give you my thoughts on the 10 things that I felt they're kind of, they're prominent in 2021. Mostly I'll focus on the stupid stuff. Stupid stuff of 2021. Okay? I'll give you the 10. You tell me among these 10 which one stands out in your mind, or you can give me your opinion. Okay, in no particular order, I'm just going with the flow. Number 1, transgender surgery. I mean, the way they are kind of advertising and making this popular and making it sound cool, it's like, wow, it's like getting a tattoo. In fact, getting a tattoo itself was a very big thing once upon a time. By the way, China has banned its football players from having a tattoo, and if they have, they are supposed to remove it. The poor fellows. Imagine if someone has tattooed his whole arm or something. Anyway, so transgender surgery, and especially I think the face of transgender, what's her name, that Canadian, Elaine Page, whatever, just showing the body with 6-pack abs and cut off breasts, and supposed to be cool. It's terrible, man. What these people are not able to understand is this is all a problem in the head. Okay, it's not got to do with the body, it's with the head. And even if you change your body, you're just fooling yourself that you're happy. Because, okay, let's assume you feel happy with the new body, but then you need to have injections, you need to have surgery, you need to have money to constantly keep this new body, because it's not natural. The body has a habit of pulling you back towards the same old. Proof of this is when you check bodybuilders. They take steroids to become big, but the day they stop, they go back to the normal, but with all the drawbacks of using steroids. Same thing with transgender surgery. You're cutting your body and then you're injecting with artificial hormones. Problem is, people will not know the drawbacks right now, but after a period of I think when this generation comes to an end, towards 20-30 years, all these horror stories will come out. But the medical industry will promote it because its profit margins are very, very high. Anyway, it's a business. So, transgender surgeries. Number 2, the disasters of 2021. NFT, non-fungible tokens. What the fuck is this? Absolute stupidity. A photograph that you click, which anyone can copy paste. All you're doing is saying, this belongs to me. Who the fuck cares? People will use it for their presentations, for showing on their Instagram and all that. What are you? Maybe it's a, I don't know, matter of ego. I'm the owner of this. I don't know if anyone gives a damn. Most of the people are in NFT just to make quick money. They buy it for cheap, sell it for expensive. Another bubble waiting to explode. But right now, no matter what you tell them, nobody's going to listen. So put your money, no problem. When it explodes, we'll sit and popcorn and yeah. Like now when people lose their money, oh, the scam. Poor thing. NFT, nonsense. It's not non-fungible token. Nonsense, fucked up. Ting tong. Okay, number 3. Cryptocurrency going to the moon. The predictions. Kathy Wood, Elon Musk, Doggy Coin. You remember what what these experts were predicting? This year end, it's going to go to $100,000 one Bitcoin. It might go up to 1 million. It might go up to 10 million. You never know. It's sky's the limit. Yeah. Then when you corner them with this argument, what do they say? Oh, if you check the price when it started and now, Still 30,000, 40,000, 100,000 times higher. It's like talking to someone who believes in his religion. No matter what you tell them, no matter what evidence you show, talk nonsense. Cryptocurrencies is nothing. It's just whatever value the group gives it. And now there are so many cryptocurrencies. It's a joke. Agreed. Bitcoin will remain. Will never be accepted as currency. By the way, Salvador, the major scam from the government wallet itself. People lost their bitcoins. Nothing surprising there. Bitcoin will remain. Ethereum will remain. Dogecoin and Shibu and Shabu and all that. Sounds like a Malayali name, South Indian name. It will remain as long as Elon Musk is there. The day he is no more. Shibu, Dibu and Doggy Woggy and Pussy Wussy Cat. All these coins. Remember Cum Coin? Anyway, Kathy Wood, I can't stand her. Fucking irritating. The nonsense she spews from her mouth and people worship her. Oh Lord, you don't know, she's educated Stanford, she's educated Harvard, she's what the fuck are you and what the fuck. Yeah, worship her, she's your God. Put all your money wherever she says. She's investing in future stocks. Like Elon Musk. Mars, we'll go to Mars. Yeah, sure. We'll go to Mars, yeah. When? Tell me the date. It's like religion, You tell them one day. Stupid. Number 4. If I say the name, you'll understand the topic. Greta. What? Such a irritation. A small kid lecturing the entire world what is to be done. Still people cannot use their brains that someone is telling her the script and she is repeating like a parrot. Oh, she is the future. Oh, how dare you, and all that bullshit. And then she goes back to her iPad, all the fossil fuels she will use, a private jet and heating in the house, all that she will use, fossil fuels. But she'll lecture you. How dare you? Oh, you this, you that. And she doesn't have any solutions. And everyone knows all this climate change bullshit. These renewable energies, the cost for it is absolutely crazy. In fact, electric cars, I'll give you a prediction about electric cars. I don't know, did I leave it here? Let's put it 11 points. Electric cars, I personally feel it's going to be a disaster. And you know why? Because you'll never be able to operate your own electric car. And the batteries have to be thrown out. When you use a battery, what do? Throw it out, right? Yeah, so. And recharge, you use it 4-5 times. See, these companies are just there to make money. They're not there to be your friends. And when you have to replace the battery, you'll have to pay a fortune. So what do you do with these batteries? Dump it, right? You're not solving the problem. You're adding more. These petrol-based vehicles, much more better. Anyway, no point talking to people. People are stupid. Okay, number 5. Women being applauded for showing nude bodies. Okay, now that is one. I wouldn't mind that if they are showing a beautiful body. They're showing a fucking fat hippopotamus and oversized fat fucks. So ugly it looks like, this lards of fat, blubber, hanging. It looks so ugly. Oh, I didn't Photoshop it. So natural. And then you get these women twerking and this one, Lizzie. It's like, someone putting something in your throat and you puke. Just think of the vomit that comes out, that is that female. She's actually twerking her, cellulite ass and showing her. You look at a cow's, in YouTube, there is eating a cow's vagina. That video is more palatable than watching that elephant. Poor thing. I have to call elephants bad words by comparing it to her. Anyway, number 6. Same, sticking with women. Before, women used to show their bum and boobs, and like one female shared with me, see Eloy, look at this. She's a bodybuilder, okay? She's doing like squats, okay, for the hamstring. It's like you go under the machine and you sit and stand. So the camera is behind her to show her hamstrings, but it's positioned in such a way you can see her bum, and every time she bends down, obviously you know where your eyes will go. And she is like, you know, never give up, hard work. These females, they show their boobs, and you know, it's like showing a body part and then talking something spiritual. And then, you know, like Christina Aguilera, she's supporting women by being brave. And how she's being brave? A topless photograph, a see-through photograph, a see-through clothes. Oh, she posed nude. She posed nude to inspire women towards greatness. We should not be ashamed of our bodies. We should unite, free the nipple movement. Ooh. Yeah, free the crotch and free the ball sack movement, and free the bum hair, you know, the hair on your anus. That also should be a movement, no? These tabloids and these newspaper thing, they keep putting these headlines and they keep appearing on your feed, and people click because they have perverted minds, or half of them are jobless because they get triggered, and they know when you get triggered there's an engagement. That's why if you see shitty videos, like I saw one of this Indian singing 1 billion views for that, some shit, driving an expensive car, and that also shot in Dubai, colors, and girl is walking like this and showing her bum and this, and 1 billion views for that nonsense. But if you check an educational video on self-improvement, forget 1 billion views, forget 1 million views, forget 10,000 views, not even 100 views. That's the world we are living today. And then they cry, oh, I'm unable to succeed in life. So body parts. Number 7, religion. I think religion and religious extremists, and thanks to politicians, gone to another level. What happened in Pakistan, the Sri Lankan man, and now what is happening in India. Hindu Vita, Hinduism, and he insulted this joke, and this joke is bad, and that movie is, she dressed up this way and he behaved that way, and he said this and they said that. Oh, Mughals and the, you know, kings 50 years ago, just like in the United States, the Confederation, which was 100 years ago, we need to destroy this statue, and it's part of history, man. Stupid. Religion and politics and history, manipulating them. Number 8, guns and United States. Yeah, you need guns to protect yourself. Oh, guns is our First Amendment right. We should be able to protect ourselves. Yeah, that's why everyone has guns. Protect yourself. Kyle Witherspoon. I was protecting myself. I went where there was a problem, where there was a fight, took my gun. Anyone came, shoot. I was protecting myself. Yeah, you jump in a pit filled with snakes, and it's like this man, the tiger bit his arm, and they shot the tiger dead. Yeah, the guy, he crossed the safety line, put his arm, and obviously the tiger grabbed it. The poor tiger had to die. They should have shot this guy dead. If it was me, I would allow the tiger to rip off his arm and then injured the tiger slightly, but left the tiger. Unfortunate. The death of a beautiful, majestic animal for human stupidity. Anyway, guns and USA. At number 9, you have the metaverse. Oh, Baba, my goodness. Before it was playing a video game and spending money in the video game. You spend money in the video game, so people used to laugh and call you stupid. Like, you know, you play those. I've done that. I told you, $15,000 I spent like an idiot because I was addicted to this online game. Nowadays they buy skins, they buy weapons, everything online. And you use it to play and shoot and kill and... Or you know, the most funny thing is it's called skins. You buy something for your character, it's called a skin. Okay, like you think it's a guy, a digital character, wearing a shirt or a hoodie or something, and you need to pay US dollars for it, money. So people used to laugh and say, you're stupid. Mark Zuckerberg has taken it to a whole new level. You not only buy and spend money to do all this, you also engage your senses, your eyes, your ears, your mouth, which has been done with the gaming industry and Japanese people for ages. You'll have a perfect body, you'll look the way you want, you'll sound the way you like how keyboard warriors. Real life they are zero, online they are heroes. Metaverse nonsense. It's nothing but manipulation and taking people for a ride. In fact, I spoke about this in my previous video. Snoop Dogg has taken a metaverse, a place or something like that in one server. One guy wanted to be Snoop Dogg's neighbor, so he paid $480,000, $500,000, to be Snoop Dogg's neighbor in one server of a metaverse. Now, you can have unlimited number of metaverses. On one you can have on Facebook, one you can have on, let's say, Twitter, one you can have on Instagram, one you can have. So different metaverses. But you spend real money. It's like the cryptocurrency nonsense, NFT and all that. And at number 10, the ultimate, vaccines and Fauci. First it was take one vaccine, then you don't need to wear masks. Then it was take two vaccines, then you don't need to wear masks. Then it became, no, you have to wear a mask. Then it became, oh no, you can fall sick even after you take vaccine. Then it was like, no, you need to take a booster to boost the vaccines. Now you have to take another booster. Israel gives now total 4 shots, 2 main vaccine, 1 booster and 1 extra booster. And now Fauci is saying, no, every 6 months, the vaccine life is 6 months or 9 months. By the way, the pharmaceutical industry, if you buy their stocks, 10 billion dividends, very nice, good money. So the pharmaceutical industry must be doing something well. And now the only thing in the news, or the only reason people are dying is because of COVID. Like I remember that joke. Let's say a guy got COVID and he went swimming and a shark killed him. So diagnosis, the guy died because of COVID. You get COVID and you die of a heart attack. Oh, he died of COVID. You got COVID and you died of smoking. COVID destroyed his immune system. What's the answer? Not exercise, not vitamin D, not eating healthy, not losing weight. Only vaccines. I mean, like Joe Rogan said, you know, if you have a cold, they give you 20 different remedies to solve cold or fever or cough. You can try Ayurvedic, you can try natural, you can try paracetamol, you can take Brufen, you can take this, you can take that, you can put Vicks. But that is okay. But for COVID, if you suggest anything, no, that's a criminal offense. That will get you banned from social media, from Facebook, from Twitter, from YouTube. Funny, right? We live in a funny world. So this, my dear friends, was 2021 for you. the madness, the nonsense. So you tell me which one, how do you rate it? Which one is the highest? Which one is the main one? I just gave you a random list. We're living in crazy times. Instead of becoming more modern or towards our outlook, I think we're going backwards. Anyway, 2021 was a crazy year. How will 2022 be? We don't know. Let's see. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts. It's me signing off. Guys, take care.